All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 2017 Ram ProMaster 2500. This vehicle does have some collision damage on this door, as you can see it there. Boom. You're gonna need a new side view mirror. I don't know if this door could be repaired by a body shop or not. It does open and close. Boom. This is what it looks like on the edge. Pow, pow, pow. The window does not go all the way down. It does go down to about here. So probably gonna need some body work. Need some body work here as well. Of course, this door does open. This is broken off. I'll leave it on there for you guys. This is broken off, but the door does open from the inside. I'll show you guys in a minute. Basically, the rest of the door doesn't look too beat up. Just right here on the side. Boom, that's what it looks like. The rest of the door looks pretty decent. You have a dent here on the door coming over to the mirror here. Here, of course, you got a heavy scratch. Boom. Another heavy scratch here. The rest of the truck looks pretty good. Let's check out the tires right back here on the passenger side. It's 5:30 seconds. I'm gonna double check that. That's correct. All right, and let's check out the front one here. Boom. That was under 4:30 seconds. Coming around, your bumper looks good, your hood looks good. It looks pretty good up there. This door looks fantabulous. Your front driver's steel wheel and your tire thread under 4:30 seconds. Your door here, gas door, you're gonna need a new one. Boom. All right, you got power windows, power door locks. It's your front driver's seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. Does come with two key fob combos and owner's manuals, which I see right here on the ground. Boom. All right, I'll put it in the glove box for you guys. All right. All right, does have power windows, power door locks. Your front driver's, of course, this is what your AM, FM stereo system. You got your AC controls right down below. You got, how's the name of it? Cup holders down there. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. You see no lights on or any issues, and your mileage, when you've got lights out on the license plate apparently. And then 17,416 miles. Pretty much completes the tour. Keeping it moving here. Keeping it moving. This quarter here looks pretty good. Likewise on the rear. Nice. Here's your front passenger, your rear driver steel wheel. And your tire thread is over 6:30 seconds. All right. Up top, those lights are working. These doors look good. They normally look kind of beat up, but this one just has a small little dent right there. Hardly visible. Got a little dent there on the plastic on the rear bumper. The door does swing out all the way. And it looks good here on the inside paneling as well. And this one as well looks good on the inside panel. Very nice. This is what it looks like from the inside. Your wheel wells look good on both sides. They don't look too beat up. Normally, they look pretty bad. On this one, they look pretty good. All right. Door, as I said, does open up from the inside. All right, guys. Just so you know, let me step out this way. Boom. All right, and this is what that side looks like, opened up. As I said, it is. I messed it up. Hold on, let's see what happened here. All right, that seems to have a little screw stuck in here. I got it out. That's what happened there. All right, door closes properly, so your lights inside will not be on while you're waiting to repair this truck. And as I said, that pretty much completes the tour. For in here, I already showed you the damage on the passenger side, which is pretty much all the damage there, really. I'm gonna get a ladder. I'm gonna get a ladder and put it back here. Get a ladder and put it back here so I can look up on there on the roof. And let me show you the front driver's, like I said, this one opens up, and here's your front driver's seat. Front passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips to that. All right. Let's go up here and see what's going on. Somebody brought me a small ladder here, looking for me to fall, looks like. But the roof looks good. So that's a good thing. Seems to have a little dinghy here. Very small, but it is there. That pretty much completes the tour. It has a small little dent up in that sail panel, as you can see it there. Alright, pretty much is it. Lights are working, top lights are working. Vehicle looks great. Folks, once again, vehicle looks good for what it is. Folks, once again, this is the 2017 Ram ProMaster 2500 high top, long wheelbase with some collision damage on the passenger side. If you guys got any questions, concerns, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding. Oh, and only 17,000 miles in this vehicle.